Okay guys, today we're gonna be doing like a full detail and clay bar and whatever on the good old Z4, and we're gonna do that at Imperial Auto Styling with some of my friends over there. But first we're gonna go grab breakfast at Chick-fil-A. Alright, now we're at the gas station with Tony Sanch, and we're filling up the Raptor. Basically, we're here at Imperial Auto Styling. Shout out to Butch and Russell for letting us use the space. Got some nice AC and stuff, and the lighting's good. I'm just deciding to clay bar the Z4 because ever since we got the car, we never did any paint correction or clay bar or anything. I've really only just done a couple hand washes on it. And the paint, I mean, this part I just finished clay barring, and it's smooth, and this part makes noise. If you get close with the mic, you can actually probably hear the noise. No noise. It makes like a grinding noise, so it's pretty bad. I know the paint's got swirls and stuff like that, and I know I'm not like William Hartzell detailing God and whatever, but like, I want to make it better than it is right now, and I figured while we have the opportunity to work in the shop, we might as well take advantage of it. And so hopefully it'll make it look and feel a little bit better than before. So I'll throw in like a edit or time lapse of me clay barring the whole car. This is just from half of that roof panel. I'm gonna fold it over, start with a fresh, here, get those forearm muscles.
Ooh.
And by the way, the brand I'm using is Mother's Instant Detailer, which came with the clay bar and the microfiber. It's like a little kit I picked up at AutoZone. Works pretty well. William is probably crying when he watches this. Alright, so now we finished clay barring both panels, and I'm gonna wipe everything down, and you can hopefully see a difference from what it was before. Also, you must use a microfiber when you wipe down, otherwise rip. A lot shinier.
It is.
I mean, the paint is bad though. It's clearly been ran through car wash by previous owner. Yeah, this car's paint is a rip. And you can actually clay bar carbon fiber also, because it does have a clear coat, same way your paint has a clear coat, and that clear coat will absorb contaminants as it sits outside under a tree and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and clay bar the carbon fiber while I'm at it. You probably won't notice a difference, but it doesn't hurt to do it. All right, so now I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse of me doing the hood. One thing to keep in mind is you wanna go in vertical and horizontal lines. Don't go in swirls, because that could potentially scratch your paint. And it's safer to go with the body lines of the paint. That's what I like to do. So I'm gonna go up and down to stay kind of even with these body lines. So let's get started. We'll do it one side at a time. Alright, so the hood is done with clay bar, so I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Looks a lot better. Still, I know it's not perfect. Definitely needs some paint correction, but it's definitely looking better. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the car, and then I guess I'll do some glamour shots at the end and make it look pretty. So I'll get back with you when it's done. Alright guys, hope you all enjoyed this video of me clay barring the car. I learned something new, that clay bar does not necessarily fix your paint. This definitely still needs paint correction, and I'm aware of that, so don't roast me, but it's definitely got better than what it was before. And now, if anything, it's at least smooth enough to have a wrap laid over it. Other than that, it turned out pretty good. Black paint is definitely hard to maintain, so I don't think I'll be buying another black car. I'll stick with blue and yellow and red and Skittle colors. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.